everyone, my name is Priya Thakur. Welcome to my channel Women's Treasure. So I'm back with another video of my pregnancy series. Today we are going to talk about the products which I am using during my pregnancy period. During the pregnancy period, your skin becomes extra sensitive and your body requires more care. So there are few products available in the market these days which are specially for pregnant women. So I'm using the product from the brand called the Mom's Co. This brand is suggested to me by my doctor. And the products of the Mom's Co are natural, organic, and they use non-toxic things for their mother care products. So now I have been using these products for almost 3-4 months, and my experience with these products are really good. So I thought to share my experience with you guys. So if you want to use or if you have any skin problem during your pregnancy, you can also use these products. These products are organic, so even if you are not pregnant, in that case also you can use these products. So here are the products which I have been using during my pregnancy period. So let's start the video.
The Mom's Co is a natural Australia certified brand which use toxin free solutions for mother care and baby care products. These products are very natural, non-toxic and organic. This has a lot of products with which you can pamper your skin during your precious time. Pregnancy is a beautiful phase, but sometimes we face some problems. So they have a wide range of skincare products for pregnancy which are made with the ingredients that are safe to use during your pregnancy time. In my first trimester, I had a lot of acne on my face. That time I spoke to my doctor about it, and she suggested me this brand, and these have vitamin rich products, and these products really worked on my skin. These products are very light and the texture is really great, but these products are for all skin type, and even if you're not pregnant, you can also try these products. So the first bundle which I bought from the Mom's Co, that was the facial range with the vitamin rich products like the face wash, face serum, face cream and the eye cream. The Mom's Co face wash vitamin rich is a gel based face wash, and it is very mild which keep our skin very hydrated and does not make our face dry. And after the face wash, we use the natural Vita Rich face cream, which is to hydrate our skin, and it improves pigmentation, improves fine lines, and it soothes our skin very much, and it nourishes the skin very deeply. And after that, we use the under eye cream, which removes the dark circle and puffiness of the eyes. It has coffee oil and vitamin B3 and the vitamin E inside it, so it really suits you. You can use it twice in the day, in the morning as well and at the night also. And then the vitamin rich face cream. It helps in reducing pigmentation and improves the uneven skin tone as well. And this is very mild and it has very smoothing fragrance, makes my skin feel like glowing from within. So the products are really good. You can try these products. You can consult with your doctor as well. But these products are fully natural, organic. So these are really good to use. Pregnancy is really a beautiful phase. We all love this period. However, in this, we all women get worried about stretch marks. But these stretch marks are very common during pregnancy. And in this period, our skin becomes really dry and itchy, especially during the second and third trimester. So for the stretch marks and for itchy skin, I use the Mom's Co natural stretch marks bundle, which include the stretch marks oil and the body butter in it. So the stretch oil is which I use in morning and in evening. This stretch oil is really light, and the plus point is it's not at all greasy, but it has a strong smell. And then the body butter. The body butter we should use at night. It's a very rich cream and it really works for dry and itchy skin. The fragrance of this body butter is really good, and it spreads really well on your skin. You can use this stretch oil and the body butter on your tummy. And then the another product, the natural foot cream, which I really like from the Moms Go. I have the swollen feet issue. Some of us ladies face the swollen feet issue during this pregnancy time. This oil has almost 7 oils within it, and it really helps for the swollen feet and ankles. It relieves pain, nourishes swollen or cracked feet during the pregnancy. And here is another product, the natural protein hair serum. I have ordered a wide range from the Moms Co, so I got this product from with my order, and I used it. It's quite good for the dry hairs. You can use it as you use Livon. It's similar to that. So the Moms Co products are very lightweight. These were the products which I use during my pregnancy period, and these products are very safe, and the packaging of these products are very good. The Moms Co have the baby care products as well, as I used products from my pregnancy period, and these are really good, and my experience is great with all these products. So we'll definitely try their baby care range as well. I must say I love these natural products. They are so natural. I think I'm going to continue these products even after my pregnancy as well.
These are the products which I have been using during my pregnancy period, and I have shared my day routine with you guys. I hope I have shared a knowledgeable video with you guys. So please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. And I'll be coming with another pregnancy or baby care video soon. So till then, keep watching this channel and please give your love and support. Thank you. Bye bye.